Some people might look at this expression and think, first, I will multiply 4 over 5 by 5. The 5's cancel, leaving 4. Then 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So they quickly conclude that the answer is 2. But this answer is not correct. The reason it is not correct is because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics: the order of operations. The order of operations is a set of rules that tells us the correct sequence to perform calculations when a math expression contains more than one operation. These operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, roots, and parentheses. Without a universal rule, everyone could solve the same problem differently, and mathematics would become confusing. To avoid this confusion, mathematicians use one universal system called PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for P, parentheses, E, exponents, M, multiplication, D, division, A, addition, S, subtraction. Here's how it works. 1. First, solve anything inside parentheses. 2. Next, calculate exponents. 3. After that, perform multiplication and division. 4. Finally, do addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priority. So when both appear, solve from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Consider this simple expression: 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. If we add first, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. But if we multiply first, 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Then 2 plus 12 equals 14. The correct answer is 14 because multiplication comes before addition in PEMDAS expression. 20 divided by the product of 4 and the quantity 2 plus 3. Step 1. Solve the innermost parentheses. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Step 2. Solve the remaining multiplication. For multiplied by 5 equals 20. Step 3. Divide 20 by 20. Result equals 1. Correct answer, 1. Now, let's solve the problem from the beginning. 8 divided by 4 over 5 multiplied by 5. Step 1. Multiplication and division have equal priority. Solve from left to right. Step 2. Use the KCF rule for dividing fractions. K stands for keep the first number. C stands for change the division to multiplication. F stands for flip the second fraction. So 8 divided by 4 over 5 becomes 8 multiplied by 5 over 4. 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Finally, 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. Correct answer, 50. Following the order of operations step by step ensures that you always get the correct answer. If you ignore PEMDAS or solve operations in the wrong order, your result will be wrong. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy math lessons. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.